after a whole week's delay because of some stormy weather. It looks like my 2,000 kilometre sailing trip from New Zealand to Fiji is finally going to happen. But first I need to do a 600 kilometre road trip from my home near Wellington to Auckland just to get to the starting point. I'm getting all the dive gear packed up because it looks like there might be some good diving at Minerva Reef, so I'm really looking forward to that. This is a repeat of a week ago when I was all set to go, but I got that phone call to tell me to stand down because of the weather. But the forecast is looking good at this stage, so getting packed nice and early, and I'm hoping to hit the road first thing in the morning.
Got a black king glitter, came this very morning. Yeah, black king glitter, came this very morning. Said my baby gone away, and my good luck so gone. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Ooh, every word she wrote me, come my poor heart did. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Ain't no sound of laughing, just a ghost at my door. I said, Lord, have mercy, take this pain from me. Yeah, Lord, have mercy, take this pain from me.
You know what? I think we're all ready to go. Tomorrow's departure day.